Hello, so today is Sunday and I'm going out in the fjord. That's my boat. I'm going out of the car into the boat and then I go fishing, and then I will see if I can get any crabs from today. It was quite exciting yesterday when I was going to the mountain and I did not know my way up or down or sideways, or I was just stupid. I wish I did not go there. So I'm thankfully enough that I'm alive and I'm okay. So next time I won't do that one because that's just stupid. So I'm inside my boat now, and inside the boat. So I have some cover here. Take away the water. So the cover here is very good, and I won't get wet. And it's very nice to go fishing now because I won't get any wet. Now the rain can come down as much as the rain wants to. Let's stop the boat here, and then we try to capture some fish here, down here. Now it's raining a lot, as you can hear. But I'm not wet. I'm not wet at all. And then we have a small hole here. As you can see, I can fish through and hopefully can capture some fish. Now the rain comes down and I'm not worried. I'm only worried that I can't really see the just put it down here, and then you see where we are. We're not so far out from the land, so it's okay. It's like fishing blindfold. I can see the camera. I can see the one in the camera. You can really see the. Like this, I can see. Very cool to have like this. So we have fish now. Oh wow! And now you can see it. Sorry for that, but we have big fish now. Very big fish. Oh wow! Wow! So exciting now. Exciting! You can see the dollars. I need to lose the card. No, you can't lose it. Don't ever lose it. Ah. You cannot see the fish. I stepped into the water. Ah! It's a very nice fish, actually, and you need to be careful because the hook is stuck in the mouth, and the thread is going around the fish. Here are nice fish. This fish is called langa, and it's one of the most delicious fish we have here in Norway. As you can see, it's a very nice looking fish. It's like an eel, but it's quite nice to eat. And you try to put it in the camera so that you can see how it looks like. And this will I will not let go, because this is a very good, delicious fish. It's very big fish. As you can see, it's like an eel, and the teeth in this fish, as you can see, is quite sharp. As you can see in the upper teeth is very sharp. Try to put your finger in there, and you lost your finger. That's how sharp these teeth are. Okay, look. That's not supposed to happen again. second time it happened now. Second time happened. Wait. Damn, it's so slippery fish. We're very close to the island, okay, so it's not very shallow here, deep, and then we can capture more fish like that. I want to take up this one because it's nice to. Maybe I will try to. We have fish on now already. Ah! And you can see the fishing gear. Oh my god, sorry about that. So very, wow. It's a torsk. Wow. Big torsk. Okay, I need to take it with this one. Now we can see capture a very big torsk. So, very big torsk. Let's put it under the camera tripod here. And then we see the big torsk that I just caught now. Very big. Loose in the boat, which is a bad thing. It's always important to get a good grip inside the gills, and then the fish can be taken very easily off, like this. And this teeth of the fish is also very strong. I will hold it so it will not. Look at this teeth here. It's a very big fish of big cod, and this is a typical cod that you bring home and you will fry it, or you cook it and then you eat it. It's very delicious fish. Let's put it in the box, and then my pants is full of dirt. I will need to go back there again now because we're too far out. But first I'll fix this one so you can see me next time I get fish. And apparently in that area there they have lots of fish now, so let's go there again and then try to capture more fish. This I put up here and then I will take it up like a sail, so that you can see what's going on behind us. Now it's really raining. So now it's tied up. Now it's easier to see what I will get. Okay, let's start the boat. I will put the camera a little bit in the pocket so that it will get dry. Hello, so I just stopped the boat now. And then I put this stick up here. And now I put myself a socks. And now I just get ready to go fishing. I don't know if it's working or not. It's just ugly. It looks ugly in the camera. Just put it down here and then see if we can capture anything more. anything more fish. It's not very deep here, so the chance to get another fish like that is quite big, because if there's 2 fish like that here, maybe there will be another one. Look at that one. Look at that fish. That is the biggest fish. Wow, it's coming up already. And this is a fish. It's called the bargyltra, and this is a fish that I don't really want, but it's a nice size. And I will ask the German tourists if we can eat this fish, because they know. In the meantime, I just put it back here because I don't want to get stung by the very. They have a very spiky back. It's easy to get caught in the spikes there. So now let's continue fishing, and hopefully we can capture something else. Okay, we're not so very far out, so we can continue fishing. And as you can hear, the rain is pouring down, but I'm not oh wow, we have a small fish here. This is called sai, and it's a very delicious fish to fry. But since it's so small, it's time to let it swim away, and then we try to capture something else, something bigger. Let's try to capture something here. This is it's maybe 3 meters down here, actually, in the middle of the ocean. This is quite weird. I'm about 30 meters away from the land, and it's just 3 meters down. As you can see, we caught something nice one now. We have big fish on now. Oh, nice! It's last. Ah, I hate when that happens. Oh. Let's try again. I want to have a big fish like that. 2 previous goals. It's nice. Maybe I can put the stick behind me. Maybe I can try to stick it up there. Now it's better. Yeah, that was good. Very nice day here. If you like fishing and you don't want to get wet, it's a very nice day, because you can build yourself a small house inside your boat, and then you can boat as much as you want without getting wet, like me now. Very nice to look at the